In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Canva document is private and only accessible by you. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to keep their creative projects secure and personal. There are just a few simple steps involved, and in no time, you'll have complete control over who can view or edit your work. First, you're going to want to open your Canva document. If you're already working on it, great. You're halfway there. Otherwise, navigate to Canva and select the document you've been tinkering with, or the one that needs privacy settings adjusted. Once your document is up on your screen, you'll see a variety of options and buttons at the top of the page. Familiarize yourself with these as they hold the key to sharing and privacy options. Next, you'll be focusing on the Share button. Click on this button to open the sharing settings for your document. It's often located in the upper right corner of your screen and is a gateway to managing who can snoop around your work. When you click on Share, a menu will pop up. This menu is where you can control exactly who has access to your document. To ensure your Canva document is set to private, check the Access Level setting in the Sharing menu. You might see a few options here, including settings that allow friends or collaborators to view or edit your work. For complete privacy, look for the option that reads "Only you can access." Select this option, which will make sure that only you have the eyes on this particular project. There's a subtle comfort in knowing that the only person who can delve into your creativity is you, and this can bolster your confidence as you work on those more personal or sensitive designs. After you've made sure that the "Only you can access" setting is selected, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Your document is now private. If at any point you decide to share your masterpiece with someone else, perhaps a teacher, a client, or a collaborator, you can always return to these settings and adjust who has the ability to view or edit your work. And with that, you're done. You've successfully ensured your Canva document is private, securing it from prying eyes. Regularly review these settings, especially if you start collaborating with others, to maintain control over your work. Thanks for tuning in today and taking charge of your document's privacy settings. Remember that maintaining privacy is an ongoing process, and adapting to new developments in your project might require you to revisit these settings. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.